Hello everyone, today I want to show you about the dual inlet VAV system. Here is an example what is also the quite complicated job which I have been managed. As you can see, now I will view 3D. With split screen, so you can see more about the 3D system. That system will start with the main trunk lines. The main trunk line will divide it into the two systems, that is the cold air system and the hot air system. Normally the cold air will bigger than the hot air. That's also that's also the feature help us get recognize at first. With the dual VAV, you can see here is normally will connect. There will be the two inlets. The inlet may be equal together or not. Sometimes the cold inlet will be bigger than the cool inlet will be bigger than the hot inlet. Now after the box, you can see after the box we have a plenum. The plenum will plenum here will have the function which will collect the air, which will collect the air inside and then deliver for whole system. Normally here will be the mixed air, and we also have a valve. The valve here we call it strip heater. See, you see it, the strip heater. The strip heater with the most function. The strip heater with the most function is make make more will heat is will heating the hot air and make it hotter than. After that it will deliver to the low side, you can see. And normally for the low side is the air will run and split into some other air terminal. In here you can see there will be two terminals for the exterior room. The air terminal for exterior room normally will have the bigger inlet than the interior room. Just remember the feature of this. Why does? Because the exterior normally have to provide more cool or hot air than because the infection from the weather. Thank you very much for listening my explanation.